Aloha guys, Scuba Chris here. Now this is I would say my first rod runner. This was the big one. This is the one that will hold 5 rods. Now here you got 4 tubes and it's white. Also comes in a charcoal gray color. This came off another unit I have on the side here that is meant for 3 rigs. So this one here, you're gonna see 4, but there's one on the belly here. See that? So what you do is, this is what the tubes look like. See this part here with the corrugations? You push in on it to push to add on or take off. So I'm gonna put this in the tracks. Right now, listen to this. Ooh, loud, huh? And then you push in those tabs again. Slide it back out. Very easy. So when I go with friends or I go all on board on my own, this is what I take. I rarely take 5. I usually take the 4, you know. 5 is just too much work, really. But, you know, there's been times that I go live baiting, I need this one here. So, you know, it's easy to clean. Just rinse it off. Easy to put your initials and name on. In fact, I thought I put my initials on this one. Maybe I didn't. Okay. Oh, that's right. It's on my other one. Okay. So, this is these bands here. These bungee bands. You put your rod in here. You use this. You just clip it over. Boom. See, there's a clip here. Look at that. So you just go around. Clip it up to that. Oops. There. See that? So everything is held in place here. This is very, very thick ABS plastic. You can put it in a boat, take it out to a boat, put it in the back of your truck. Me, I put it in the back of my SUV. This is very convenient to have. Get your hand hold here. Now, you got your legs here. Now this will take a little bit more muscle. So, oh wow. I don't think I've taken this off for years. Normally, there. So when you pull it out this way, make sure to pull this. You want to pull it towards you. When you snap in, you want to pull it away from you. It's like so. There you go. But I found out that when I first did this, first it was WD-40, but silicone spray lasts longer. Get a little silicone spray sprayed here. You just go pop, 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 pop it in and out. So much faster. I think that was the first time I did that in years with this one, because normally nowadays I bring the one for just 3 or 4 rods. It's just so much easier than the one for the 5. So that's my report on the up to 5 rods on this rod holder. It comes in either, like I said, the white or the charcoal gray. Thank you.